Imagine hitting the open road, feeling the wind against your face, and having the freedom to explore wherever you want, without the hassle of a huge RV. Now, picture doing all of that in something compact, efficient, and unbelievably cool. Introducing the 2025 Camper Tricycle RV, the ultimate fusion of adventure and convenience. This isn't just any RV, it's a game changer. Cruising down the road, turning heads as people double-take at this futuristic marvel. A three-wheeled machine designed for those who crave adventure but hate the limitations of traditional campers. It's compact enough to navigate narrow city streets, but rugged enough to handle off-the-grid exploration. Imagine pulling up to a scenic spot by the beach or deep in the mountains. No parking nightmares, no stress. Just you, your trike, and endless possibility. Let's talk about its sleek design. The aerodynamic body isn't just for looks, it's built for efficiency. Every curve and contour is engineered to minimize wind resistance, giving you better mileage and a smoother ride. Unlike bulky motorhomes that guzzle fuel, this tricycle RV is designed with an eco-friendly approach. Some models even offer electric or hybrid options, making it the perfect choice for sustainable travel. With gas prices always fluctuating, wouldn't it be nice to have a vehicle that goes easy on your wallet? Now, step inside. You might be thinking, how can something this small provide real comfort? Well, get ready to be amazed. The interior is designed like a Swiss Army knife, compact but incredibly functional. The sleeping area folds out effortlessly, giving you a cozy place to rest after a long day on the road. A small but efficient kitchenette means you can whip up a quick meal, whether it's a morning coffee or a late-night snack under the stars. Storage? Plenty of it. Smart compartments maximize every inch of space, ensuring you can bring all your essentials without feeling cramped. But here's where things get really exciting. The tech. The 2025 Camper Tricycle RV isn't just about looking cool, it's about making travel seamless. Built-in solar panels on the roof keep your gadgets charged, so whether you're working remotely, vlogging your journey, or just streaming your favorite shows, power is never a problem. A smart touchscreen control panel lets you adjust lighting, monitor battery levels, and even track weather conditions with ease. And let's not forget, GPS navigation that helps you find the best camping spots, from remote hideaways to the most scenic routes. Safety? Top priority. Stability control ensures you stay balanced, even on tricky terrains. Advanced braking systems provide instant stopping power, and a reinforced frame keeps you protected. Night rides? No problem. Powerful LED headlights illumine your path, making sure you see and are seen. This isn't just a camper, it's a fortress on wheels. And let's talk convenience. Ever struggled with setting up a tent in the dark? Say goodbye to that frustration. With a push of a button, your tricycle RV transforms into a comfortable living space. Some models even feature a pop-up roof, giving you extra headroom and ventilation. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or parked in an urban setting, you've got everything you need without the bulk of a traditional RV. But who is this for? It's for the solo traveler who loves spontaneity, the couple looking for a romantic getaway under the stars, the digital nomad who wants to work with a view that changes every day. Whether you're an urban explorer or a backcountry adventurer, the 2025 Camper Tricycle RV adapts to your lifestyle. No more worrying about hotel bookings, no more rigid itineraries, just pure, unfiltered freedom. Now let's talk about cost. Traditional RVs can set you back tens of thousands, if not more. But this? It's a fraction of the price. Lower maintenance, better fuel efficiency, and no need for a massive storage space. It's the most budget-friendly way to experience van life without actually needing a van. And with customization options available, you can personalize your ride to fit your exact needs. Want a built-in fridge? Done. Extra solar panels? No problem. A retractable awning for shade? Absolutely. And here's the best part. Imagine the places you can go. National parks, secluded beaches, bustling cityscapes, you name it. No oversized vehicle restrictions, no need for special licenses, just the freedom to ride and explore. Plus, parking is a breeze. While traditional RV owners struggle to find spots, you slide right in with ease, giving you access to locations most campers can't reach. But let's be real. This isn't just about convenience, it's about making a statement. When you pull up in this, people take notice. It's futuristic, it's stylish, and it screams innovation. Whether you're documenting your travels for social media or just want to turn heads at the campground, this is the vehicle that makes you stand out. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. Now you're probably wondering, where can you get one? Manufacturers are rolling out models with different features, catering to a variety of needs. Some are fully electric, some have off-road capabilities, and some are decked out with luxury interiors. The choice is yours. Pre-orders are already filling up fast, and early adopters are raving about the experience. This isn't just another trend, it's the future of travel. So what are you waiting for? The open road is calling. Whether you're chasing sunsets, discovering hidden gems, or just escaping the ordinary, the 2025 Camper Tricycle RV is your ticket to adventure. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to a new way of exploring the world. Get ready to ride, camp, and experience freedom like never before. Because this isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution on 3 wheels.